Boom dia, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are in the beautiful world, whenever you're watching this YouTube video. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel, the channel where we talk about Bitcoin, blockchain and life. The newcomers, my name is Didi, and yes, I hodl Bitcoins and I always wear Bitcoin t-shirts like this one, to be or not to be, and you can buy them of course in our store. A short TA video, a cool TA video with like 5 really amazing charts that you need to see at the moment. Yes, it's a little bit of a sad day. John McAfee yesterday passed away. He's not anymore among us. Rest in peace, John, and all our condolences to the family, friends and all the other loved ones. Let's now jump into the chart, and at the end of the video I will have a small clip, a short clip of John McAfee doing a 2-minute speech that I really like. Guys, now let's jump into the charts first. This one over. Charts on Oryx. This one I talked about yesterday. I will see if my face is on right in the screen, because that is very important. If it is not doing the right thing, I'm going to remove my face, like some of you suggested yesterday, because my face is not important on the screen. Yes, indeed it isn't, not when I'm talking about charts. So this is what I said. We have the triple bottom, we were going up again, yes, and we are a little bit correction here. Maybe we continue, maybe we correct down. It still needs to be clear, or it's a bullish expanding triangle, or it's a bullish triple bottom. If it is a bearish pattern, guys, we will drop very far down from here, because then we will go to the 24k level. Why? Because if you look at this chart, yes, this one again is trading view. I'm going to show you why I think, because this green box over there that you see here in the top, those 2 green boxes, those are the important boxes for me. The support area from 31k that we had support many times, like we can see, yeah, support 2, 3, 4, over here 5, 6, 7, like many times support. This is important, and this is important, and that, because these two are important to me, I also set some alarms. Like you can see, these orange things over there, that is an alarm if we close down below that level of 31, or that's one if we go up the 37k level, because I want to have an alarm, because those levels mean for me that we could go more bullish or bearish, and that's why I set these alarms. You can see them over there, guys, those orange things. At the moment we found the support over there. We are going to try to break that upper band and then maybe to the top band of 37k. That is what I expect, and if we break this level again, then yes, then I can see 24k level in play. But before we break that level, I don't see that yet, guys. So yes, I know you want me to be bearish, and I will tell you in a later chart on this video why we could go to 24k. But till we break this level with a day candle, with a body of a day candle, there's a day chart, every candle is a day. If we close a candle down below that level, then I get bearish. Till that time, not getting bearish. I'm then more bullish than bearish, guys. Let's jump into this chart. Here, bam, the weekly. That's what I showed you yesterday, the RSI. When the RSI is down on this level, below the level 40, it's a buying opportunity. So you can see every time we came below it, but we should have bought. Just take a look at the video of yesterday if you want to see more about that one again. Yes, some very beautiful stuff. Bam, this one over here. This is Oryx, and I told you guys the indicators will go live on Oryx. They are live in the development stage now. Tomorrow morning they will be live also in the public stage to show you how it will look. Very cool. We go to indicators over there. You see basic, you see Oryx, and you see Bitcoin family. You click on Bitcoin family, and then you see the bam, the margin call, the Bitcoin family margin call 1.4 light, the Bitcoin family margin call 2.03, the Bitcoin family TikTok, and the Bitcoin family TikTok strategy. Let's see. let's see if we can already set the bam bam over there, and we will take this one also over there, and we will take this one also over there. So let's see how my beautiful screen looks like now. Look, we have all those beautiful flags that you always want. We have that beautiful cloud that you always need. We have the beautiful bam bam over there. Yes, we can adjust the lines. You can, if you double click it, guys, you can again say which lines you want to have which colors. Like this one, I want that one to be white. Nah, that's my opinion, but okay, look, and then it changes into white. Yes, we also have the beautiful beaches and green hills in this new Aurochs trading environment. If you want to sign up to Aurochs, please use the link down below the video, because that is the only way you can get access to the bam bam and all the other indicators, guys. Like you can see, we could have taken that long. I've been talking about that long in the previous videos. If you took that long, I told you guys to exit around 8%. That is over there. That would be in a profit. We still need to see if we go down. We could even continue this a little bit more, but let's see. If not, then there will again be a short. And how do we see a short? If there is a short flag, if there is a bam bam crossing the white line, if the green is going into yellow and blue again, then that could be a short. In my opinion, not a great short at the moment, because it would be only a very small profit. If we could take the short over there, maybe to the bottom of that band, like 3%. So not the best trade. So let's wait and set this out. Yes, it also works on the 15 minutes and all the other time frames, guys. This is the 15-minute chart now. Look in the 15-minute chart. Let's see how that one worked this morning. This yellow line over here, that is normally the stepping line. You can change that one as well. Like you can go to the line and you can say, nah, I want a stepping line. Okay, then it's a stepping line. And over here, guys, long flag, closing above the yellow stepping line there. We have the bam bam crossing also the white line, also positive. We have green starting, but the red line is on top, which is the only not good thing. But still, 1, 2, 3 very good indicators. Even the dot already very early. That's a strange one, together with the long flag, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4 indicators that could have told you to take the long, and that long in the 15-minute chart would have given you a profit of, yeah, you're still in it probably, so it would be 1.1% with a leverage of 10. Yeah, that's a 10% profit over there just now on that beautiful morning. Guys, that was everything that I want to show you on these charts. This is the trading view chart, so you can see it's completely the same. Now, what are we going to do now? Bam, we are going to go into the next part of the video where we have really cool charts that you need to see. Oh, I want to end on an O. Stupid. Why do you do that? Why do you try to be that? Now, let's jump into that part where we have really cool images of charts that I want to talk about. Bam, over here. That is the first one. And this is the part where my face needs to be moved all the time, or I need to remove my face. Also a good option. First chart is this one. It's an important chart because if you look at this, the liquid supply ratio, which means how many people with strong hands that hold the bitcoins for longer time or buying the bitcoins out, you can see that one here. So more people that have people that hold bitcoin longer are now accumulating the bitcoins again. So strong hands. The price is going down. This is what you could call bullish divergence. And every time this happens, we can expect the price somewhere to return up again. And we can look at, for example, here, the January dip. Here, the price is going down. You see? And you see the people, the strong hands, buying again. And what happened afterwards? The price exploded. So these types of things I'm always looking at in the charts as well. Is this happening? So for me, this could be a bullish divergence, and that means for me that the price could go up again. So let's see. We don't know for sure, but that's a beautiful chart. Why do all the people now think that we dropped to 24K? Bam, that is this chart. People think that we dropped to 24K because they believe that there is a gap to fill. So this gap that we can fill, you can already see the gap. I think you can see the gap. Yeah, you can see the gap. There was this gap over there. That is the gap people think we need to fill at 24K. If we need to fill the gaps, then let's also please fill this gap. Let's also please fill this gap, which is around 60K, which is around 50K. So, and there's another gap. Let's fill that gap as well. And there's another gap. Let's fill that gap as well. It is not only about gaps, but this is the reason why people think that we will fall to 24K. Let's see. I told you, if you break that 31K level, yes, there's a possibility that we fill the gap because there's not much volume in between. But then still, I believe we are in the bull market and we will go up afterwards, guys. Bam. Another cool chart. This one. Bitcoin Meyer multiple. The Bitcoin Meyer multiple. This chart is telling you if Bitcoin is overbought or oversold. And the moment Bitcoin is overbought, we should be exiting the charts. And when we are oversold, that is the moment to buy. And we are now at the level, like you can see, of around 0.755 here in the corner there. And if you now look to the left, how often do you see that we have been around that level? And every time that we were around that level, was that a buying opportunity? Yes or no? Let's take a look at this one over there. Was that a buying opportunity? Yes. Let's take a look at this one over there. Was that a buying opportunity? Yes. Let's take a look at this small one over there. Was that a buying opportunity? Even that one, yes. Was this area a buying opportunity? Over here, over there. Yes, it was. Was this one in 2012 a buying opportunity? Yes, it was. So this level for me is an important level to keep an eye on, that it could be a very beautiful buying opportunity again. So also this one, the Meyer multiple, is telling us Bitcoin is now being oversold. Cool. Next chart. Let's see if we can take a look at, bam, this one. This one is also showing you those huge pullbacks in Bitcoin. Where did we see the pullbacks and how big were those pullbacks? If you look at the chart, you can see that there was many pullbacks. Around the halving, you can see, like, for example, over here was a minus 62% pullback from the previous all-time high. This halving, we had a 43% pullback from the previous all-time high. Here, the halving, we had a 57 pullback from the previous all-time high. All-time high was 20K, and that halving price was 8.5K. So that's a 57% drop. And after that halving, you always get a run. After the halving, you get a run. But during that bull run, it doesn't mean we won't get any dips anymore. You can see that there were multiple dips also during the bull run. Here, this one, all those peaks here, peak. It's all dips during that bull run, guys. And that is now looking very small and tiny because, you know, it's a longer time frame. But this is just one of those peaks, in my opinion, that we saw over there and over there and over there, guys. So it is a little bit bigger. But if you look back to this bull run of 2013, we had those bigger peaks as well. Here, even 70%. So that is beautiful to see on this chart. And then we have the last chart of the day. Bum. This one, this is also a really cool chart. And I'm lying. No, that's the last one. And why is this the last one? Because that's the last one. You just talk too much. Sorry. On this chart, we again see this beautiful 4-year cycle, guys. And this 4-year cycle, we can see that how 2016 to 2021 is evolving and 2012 to 2017 evolved. 5 years in total, but it's a 4-year Bitcoin cycle. So if you look how these both cycles are exactly moving like each other, like we tip there, we go there, and we bottom there, and we bottom there, and we all see the same movement, slowly crawling up in 2020, slowly crawling up in 2016, then having this dip in 2021, then having this dip in 2017, and then after that dip in 2017, yes, it went up one more time, big time. Yes, I think we'll go up one more time, big time, because yes, also here on the bottom you can see 12 times now, 12 times it was over there, 9 times it was over there, 5 times it was over there. So yes, I think we will see a movement like that somewhere over there, guys. That was everything for today. I told you Bam, very short TA video. I want to end my video with a 2-minute clip of John McAfee giving you some beautiful advice about who we should give power and who we shouldn't give power. And I think that same goes for Bitcoin. Think about who you give power on Bitcoin to. We shouldn't give power on Bitcoin to the governments, to the central banks, and to all those centralized organizations that want to take that power away from you. So enjoy this 2-minute clip, also as out of respect to John, because he supported the crypto community in a big time, yes, also with pump and dumps, but also with the fundamentals. Thanks for watching the video, enjoy the last part, and hopefully see you later today with another family or live video again. Bam!
Why does power corrupt? Well, let's take a look at the human species. Humans are compassionate and loving, gracious, kind, generous people. We are simultaneously greedy, jealous, envious, angry. We're a mixed bag. And if you give one of the human species power, which part of ourselves uses it? Love? Love does not need power, people. It flowers from the heart. Grace? Grace certainly needs no power. Compassion, generosity, no, these are simply things that flow from our good nature. What uses power? Well, greed certainly needs power, doesn't it? If you have enough power, you can take any fucking thing you want. Anger, anger definitely would love some power, but would it not? Envy? Well, with power, whatever you're envious of, you can duplicate on your own. No, it is that negative, unsocial, not life-supporting part of the human animal that needs power. Nothing else needs power. And so we give people power over others through government, through military, and we expect them not to be corrupt. Wake up, people. Be very cautious who you give power to. Thank you.